Hello everybody, today we're going to get this chassis together on Dale Earnhardt's 1995 Brickyard 400 winner. We'll get it put together, we'll get it primed, and we'll get it painted. I've got everything prepped already, so all I got to do is glue it all together. So let's get rolling on it. Alright, so I got pretty much everything glued together where I want it. I know I need to put those braces in yet, but I don't think the engine will go in with those braces in it, so I'm going to do those afterward. But I'm going to let all this dry, shoot it with primer, and then when I come back, we'll shoot with some Poppy Red. This is the Ford Poppy Red, which should be the correct color. So, I'll be back. Alright, this is what I've got, kind of as far as the paint goes on Dale Earnhardt's chassis. It's almost all the way complete. I do need to clear like this piece and these 3 pieces, but I ran out of clear, so I gotta get some more of that. But the roll cage is assembled. I did have a mishap here where that broke off there. Not a big deal. The chassis pan is painted and the rear truck arms are painted, so this part of it's done. Also wanted to show you this, and something I'll have to, one of my subscribers has asked me about this. I told him it works good. Well, you do have to do a little bit of tweaking. But, so I got the underside of the body painted in the same Poppy Red that I use on that. I also put the front bumper on. So, what you can see is it doesn't line up there. So, you will have to extend that out and then putty it to make it smooth, which I will do, but I think Jesse Hosmer is the one that was asking about that, so, but I apologize about that. I hadn't glued it before I was talking to you, and it doesn't go all the way to the fender well, so sorry about the late notice on that one. But all in all, everything's going together real well. Next time I should have all this completely assembled with the seat and the shifter and all the goodies on the inside done. Then we'll be doing suspension work. So thank you all for watching. Have a good one, and I'll see you next time.